In this video, we will talk about the plastic pollution crisis, causes and solutions. Plastic pollution is one of the biggest environmental challenges of our time, affecting oceans, wildlife, and human health. Each year, millions of tons of plastic enter our ecosystems, taking hundreds of years to break down. This crisis not only harms marine life, but also impacts food chains and releases toxic chemicals into the environment. The growing reliance on plastic, especially single-use items, has made pollution an urgent issue that demands action. To address this, we need solutions at all levels: personal, corporate, and governmental. Through education, innovation, and global cooperation, we can reduce plastic waste and protect our planet for future generations. 1. Single-use plastics. Single-use plastics are items designed to be used briefly before being discarded. This includes plastic bags, straws, water bottles, food wrappers, and packaging materials. These plastics are popular due to their low cost and convenience, making them highly prevalent worldwide. However, these items don't decompose easily, taking hundreds of years to break down in the environment. As they accumulate, they cause significant pollution, especially in waterways and oceans, where they impact marine life. Single-use plastics are a major focus for many environmental campaigns that push for bans or restrictions on their use to reduce plastic waste. 2. Improper waste disposal. Many regions, particularly in developing countries, lack adequate waste management infrastructure. Without proper systems to collect, recycle, or dispose of waste, plastic litter often ends up in rivers and oceans. Even in places with better waste systems, plastic waste is sometimes improperly disposed of due to littering or overflowing landfills. This is a major source of plastic pollution, as plastics can easily be transported by wind and water, reaching distant ecosystems and contributing to global pollution. 3. Fishing industry. The fishing industry is a major source of plastic pollution, especially through discarded or lost fishing gear, such as nets, lines, and traps. Known as ghost gear, this equipment remains in the ocean long after being abandoned and continues to trap and harm marine animals, including fish, turtles, and seabirds. This abandoned equipment is a significant threat to marine ecosystems, leading to ghost fishing, where marine life gets entangled and perishes. Efforts to manage and retrieve discarded fishing gear are essential to reducing its impact. 4. Consumer culture. The modern consumer lifestyle heavily favors convenience and affordability, often at the cost of sustainability. With the rise of packaged goods, fast food, and online shopping, plastic usage has skyrocketed. Many consumers choose single-use, disposable items over reusable alternatives, contributing to high plastic production rates. Changing this culture involves raising awareness, providing alternatives, and encouraging sustainable behaviors among individuals. Environmental impact. Plastic pollution has far-reaching effects on ecosystems, particularly in marine environments. Wildlife ingestion. Many marine animals, like fish, turtles, and seabirds, mistake plastic particles for food. When ingested, plastics can block their digestive systems, leading to malnutrition or starvation. For instance, sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, their natural prey. Once ingested, these plastics can cause severe harm or even death, impacting the species' population. Entanglement. Larger pieces of plastic, like fishing nets or plastic rings, can entangle marine animals. This restricts their movement, makes it difficult to find food, and exposes them to predators. Entangled animals often suffer injuries or drown. Seals, birds, and turtles are particularly vulnerable to this type of plastic pollution. Toxic leaching. Over time, plastics release harmful chemicals into their surroundings, which can affect plants, animals, and even humans. Microplastics absorb pollutants, including pesticides and heavy metals, which then enter the food chain when ingested by marine life, potentially affecting human health when seafood is consumed. Solutions to the plastic pollution crisis. 1. Reduce plastic use. Reducing plastic use at the source is one of the most effective solutions. Governments and organizations are implementing bans on single-use items like plastic bags and straws to minimize waste. Individuals can contribute by opting for reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Small changes in daily habits, like choosing products with minimal packaging, can make a significant difference in reducing plastic waste. 2. Improve waste management. Proper waste management infrastructure is crucial for managing plastic pollution. Investments in efficient waste collection, recycling facilities, and incineration can help prevent plastics from entering the environment. Developing countries, in particular, need more resources for waste management systems. Additionally, stricter regulations and enforcement can ensure that plastic waste is handled responsibly. 3. Promote recycling and innovation. Expanding recycling facilities and making recycling more accessible can encourage people to recycle plastic waste. Innovation in material science has led to alternatives like biodegradable and compostable plastics, which are less harmful to the environment. Developing better recycling technologies to handle mixed plastics and complex materials can further improve recycling rates and reduce reliance on virgin plastic. 4. Education and awareness. Educating the public about the consequences of plastic pollution is key to changing behavior. Schools, community programs, and social media campaigns can play an important role in informing people about the impact of plastic on the environment and promoting sustainable alternatives. When people understand the importance of their choices, they are more likely to support and adopt environmentally friendly practices. 5. Corporate responsibility. Companies that use large amounts of plastic can help reduce plastic waste by adopting sustainable practices. This might include using recycled materials, reducing plastic in packaging, and supporting recycling programs. Many brands are now adopting eco-friendly packaging and encouraging consumers to recycle or reuse their products, showing that corporate responsibility is becoming an integral part of the solution to plastic pollution. Global collaboration. Because plastic pollution is a global problem, international cooperation is essential. Initiatives like the Global Plastics Treaty and United Nations programs aim to establish standards for plastic production, recycling, and waste management. By working together, countries can share resources, technologies, and best practices to tackle plastic pollution more effectively. Global agreements and policies can set common goals, promote sustainable production, and encourage recycling efforts worldwide. The plastic pollution crisis is a complex but solvable problem. It requires action on multiple levels, individual, corporate, and governmental, to reduce plastic waste and protect the environment. By reducing plastic use, improving waste management, supporting recycling innovations, and promoting global cooperation, we can create a cleaner, healthier world for future generations. Through collective effort, we can protect biodiversity, preserve ecosystems, and reduce the harmful impacts of plastic pollution on our planet. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.